Alright, good morning. So today is the exhaust install video. After thoroughly trying and failing to fit this in the back of my car, I've decided to just take it apart, take it out the box, and we're gonna shoot over to my cousin's, install it, and see how it sounds. With Wilson's help, that was super duper easy. Take it out of the box if you need to take it somewhere. It's a whole lot easier than trying to fit the box into your trunk. Small opening, like it'll fit in the back. It's just to get it in, that's a doozy. All right, so we're here. We got the car jacked up. Let's get to the install. Alright, so now that they're mostly done installing my exhaust,
This side looks tighter than
I swear I helped a little bit. We're just gonna loosen these up after and then redo these little points right here.
No, you good.
And then readjust this exhaust so I can just get it all tucked away how I want it. But this is basically how it's gonna look. Yeah.
So how much is this?
Holy shit!
I'm gonna put my... Whoa! Can I try?
Hey, Gab, hit it one time, just like one hard one.
Yeah, bring her up to like 7. Okay, like 6. Alright, so that's basically the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you like that little extra clip that I threw in of somebody sitting off a car alarm, drop a like down below. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.